Everyone wants exciting money, crypto pumps, viral businesses, overnight success, but most people who actually build wealth do it in the most boring way possible. Today, I'll show you boring ways to earn money. Not because they're flashy, but because they're reliable. Boring money has three qualities. It's predictable. It compounds over time. It doesn't depend on luck. Exciting money feels good short-term. Boring money builds freedom long-term. If your goal is stability, peace, and control over your time, boring is not bad. Boring is smart. Let's start with the most boring one. Savings accounts, fixed deposits, money market accounts. You won't get rich fast. You won't impress anyone. But your money is safe, you earn without doing anything, and you sleep peacefully. This is where emergency funds belong. Not exciting, but essential. Boring money protects your future self. Index funds are so boring that people ignore them. They don't promise 10 times returns. They don't trend on social media. They simply track the market. And over long periods, they quietly outperform most active investors. No daily trading, no emotional stress. Just consistent investing every month. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Dividend-paying stocks are boring too. You invest. Companies pay you a small amount regularly. That's it. But over time, dividends increase, reinvested dividends compound, and income becomes semi-passive. It's not thrilling, but getting paid for holding assets never is. Boring income is often the most dependable income. Government bonds are one of the dullest investments on earth. Low risk, lower returns, very slow growth. But they are backed by governments. They preserve capital. They stabilize your portfolio. Not everything in your life needs to be risky. Some money's job is simply to survive. Rental income doesn't need luxury apartments or big real estate empires. It can be a small room, a basic house, storage space, or parking space. Boring assets, boring tenants, boring income. But every month money shows up without excitement. That's real leverage. Some skills are boring because they're invisible. Accounting, Excel and data analysis, bookkeeping, compliance work, payroll management. No one claps for these skills, but businesses cannot run without them. If you master boring skills, you're always needed, you're hard to replace, and you earn consistently. Boring skills create stable careers. Not everything online needs to be viral. Simple products like templates, checklists, Notion planners, and Excel sheets solve boring problems. And boring problems exist everywhere. One product, built once, sold repeatedly, no fame required, just usefulness. Boring money lacks dopamine, no rush, no thrill, no instant reward. But wealth isn't built on excitement, it's built on repetition. The richest systems in the world are boring. Banks, insurance, index funds, utilities. They don't entertain, they endure. If you want excitement, chase trends. If you want freedom, build boring income streams. Boring money doesn't change your life overnight. It changes your life permanently. If this video helped you see money differently, like the video and subscribe for more clear and practical finance content.